Hey everyone, it's Amy. I've got a knife and a Clorox wipe here. It's crazy times right now. I've got a package to open. I'm hauling some good stuff. I have a stamp haul to share with you guys. I just wanted to show you guys my setup. Look, I can show you guys the layouts. I can work on process videos. If I zoom in, I can show you guys up close pages. So this is just old pages I made a while back, but I wanted to show you guys my new little setup. Johnny helped me mount the shelf thing, which you'll see in the scrap room tour, so I can get my desk right on camera really nicely. I just plug in the camera and go. So let's go ahead and open a box and we'll start talking about the haul. Okay, so first up, we did just buy this house. It was a new home build and the houses around us are still being built, so you're gonna hear lots of construction traffic and machinery and things in my videos for the next few months while they finish up the other houses. Like, I'm pretty sure that's a cement mixer or a dump truck going by. So things like that are just going to be part of my videos right now going forward for the next couple months. We did buy my dream home. I do have an empty house tour on my other channel. It's like a lifestyle recipe foodie type channel. So I'll link to that empty house tour so you can see what room I'm in currently, and it's mostly set up, so I will have that scrap room tour like I said, but we're gonna have to deal with the construction noise. Today's haul is from my best friend. She ended up wanting to get rid of the last bits of her stamps, and I took basically all of her stamps, so she sent me this big giant box full, and if you can see the color in here, most of these are Lawn Fawn stamps, which is awesome. Lawn Fawn stamps are super duper cute, and she was obsessed with Lawn Fawn, so she had a ton of them. And also, she gave me a pair of LuLaRoe leggings. They're super cute. She just threw this one in as a little gift for me, so looks like it's a Minnie Mouse. Super duper cute. I love the pattern on this one. I use these as pajama pants or lounging around the house pants. I love them so much. When Livy was small, we used to go to Little Gym, and I used to wear these as my workout leggings for Little Gym as well, and the kids always really liked when there was like cute little patterns on them. Some of the babies would come up and like grab my legs because they were bright and fun and colorful, so it's a great thing to wear to those mommy and me classes. So I'm super excited about those. I will definitely be using those, so thank you so much. And then let's go ahead and walk through. I guess I will take everything out. It's stamps and dies. So let's go ahead and walk through all of it. It was really funny. She sent me pictures of everything that she had, and I was looking at the Green Farm ones, and I was like, I don't know if I still have this one. I don't know if I've had this one in the past. So I had to pull out all of my stamps and see what I had and what I didn't have. So there were a couple of Anyas and things I didn't have. I know I've had some of these before, so I don't know if I just got rid of them or I just couldn't find them when I was looking, but they may be duplicates, but there you go. Hula Anya. Pretty sure I have had this one in the past if I don't still already have it. Super duper cute. And Latte Anya, and I had a different one with a Frappuccino, which was super cute. And I know I have a lot of these princesses, but I don't think I have this princess anymore. Princess number 4. And there's like a dump truck or a work truck right outside of our house, so you're just hearing it running. Lots of Lawn Fawn. So this one is Critters at the Dog Park. It came with the dies as well. I love Lawn Fawn that they have the dies that coordinate with all their sets pretty much. Critters in the Savannah. Super cute. And then Critters in costume, which is great for Halloween. And then this one is called Let's Roll, and she had the dies for this one too. So cute. I can't wait to start using some of these. And then here's a Winnie and Walter. I don't know which one this one is. Let's see, does it say? The Big, the Bold, and Extras. I really liked the banners on this one. And then an Avery Elle. I liked these. And the scripty words look really nice. This one's called Brushed. A lot of these are years old, but I am going to just love them and use them a bunch. Stitched Hillside Borders. Love all their little background things. And then this one I was super excited about, the Stitched Snowflakes. I have had these in my shopping cart so many times, and I just never ended up picking them up. So when I saw she had them, I was super excited. I love the little snowflakes with the stitching. And then also, this is from Avery Elle. It is, oh, I just covered that dotted die. It's got little dotted banners. So cute. And then these go together. They're a Mama Elephant set. It is called Love Quotes. It's got the little penguins on there with the little word bubble and then the matching dies. Two Super duper duper cute. Love that. And then an ABC set, Milo's ABCs. They make it real easy to spell out things. And I gotta be honest, I love Lawn Fawn stamps, but I'm not a huge fan of most of their fonts, and this is one I happen to actually really like. But I don't know, their fonts are too much like Comic Sans, cartoony for me a lot of times. Like this font, it feels a little too cartoony for me. I know it really goes with the cutesy creatures, but I must be a font snob or something because it's just too cutesy for me. But this one I really like because it's more like large and blocky, and I like that much better than the, I don't know, the more kiddish type of fonts. This one's called Blissful Botanicals. It's got all sorts of little things you can use for backgrounds and flowers. And then this one is called Critters Ever After, and I love that little unicorn and the little castle. So cute. And this is Woodgrain Backdrops, and I have seen this on so many cards. I just really like woodgrain stuff. So that one will be one I can use a lot. And then Critters in the Snow. My bestie loves all the critters, so she had a lot of these ones. Critters in the Snow. And then love Breakfast. Super duper cute. I like that one a lot. And then we'll do these dies too, because I think these are the last big sets from Lawn Fawn. So these are the lawn cuts. We've got small stitched rectangle stackables, and I'm guessing this one's the large. Large stitched rectangle stackables. So you can make little card fronts with these, different size pieces. They'd also be good for like journaling sections on a scrapbook page. Really nice. And then here's an Avery Elle. They call these elements. Custom steel elements. This is just a simple hello die, and I like the scripty font on that. And then this is a different one. This is from the Crafthouse press. It's a little bunny set. It's called Dandelion Love. I just thought it was cute. It looked like a mommy and a baby. And then I know I've had at least one of these before. I may still have one of these Whimsy stamps with a fairy. This is Holly Christmas Fairy. I know I've had one with a cocoa cup before. Super cute. And here's another Whimsy stamp, Mushroom Mouse. And then we've got a couple of smaller sets from Lawn Fawn. We've got So Thankful and the matching dies. Will You Be Mine with the matching dies, and then also Trick or Treat. Super cute. And then this is a different kind of die. I don't know if it says on here. This is from My Favorite Things, I know that. But okay, Falling Snowflakes. You can see like they're really tight, close together at the beginning, and then they spread out a little bit further. I thought that was super cute. That'd be a great thing on a card front. And then a Paper Smooches Wise dies. It's just a bunch of different things to make a little tree. It's called Seasonal Tree, so it's got the different shapes and things. I've seen some cute things with this over the years. And then a Mama Elephant die. This is different little sequin shapes, which I thought was super cute. Little tiny little shapes. Let's see if it has the name on here. It does not. It doesn't have the name, but it's super cute with all the little sequin shapes. You can make little confetti cards or shaker cards with that, or just sprinkle them around. I really liked that. And then another Lawn Fawn die set. I don't know that this one says on the front. Heart dies. Real cute. And then I know I've had some of these in the past. I don't know if I still do. These Tutti Cutie stamps. We got these when we were working for Marker Pop or iCopic. This is called Winter Walkies. Super cute. Their little style of girls is adorable. And it's a rubber stamp. And then two of these backgrounds. These are made with rubber, and these are from Hero Arts and Basic Grade. It's like a collab thing. So I've got two of these. Let's see if it says the name. This one is Large Flower Pattern. It shows you on the back there what it looks like. And then this one is called Life of the Party Dots. It's just like distressed dots. I thought those would be great for card fronts. Just to give it a little like subtle look, I would use the same ink color as paper, so it gives it a really nice subtle background. I thought that'd be really fun to do. I've liked some of these backgrounds over the years, not this brand, but other backgrounds. It's just fun to add a little bit of a dimension to the card, a little subtle texture and things. So there you go. I will try to link to some of these if I can find them in stores, but I'm assuming since she had a baby about the same time I did, and we have both not done a whole lot of card making since then, so I assume most of these are years and years old. Now that our kids are 5, so they are years old, but a lot of these Lawn Fawns are still around, so I will try to link to as many of these as I can find for you guys. Check the description box down below if you're interested. And hopefully I'll get back into here and make some cards soon with some of these. I just love the Lawn Fawn stuff. I love the Lawn Fawn challenges. I was getting into them right before I got pregnant with Stella, and so I'm really trying to get back into it. The more we get the house organized, the more I got the itch to come back in here. I have my own full room again, which is really nice. It's really hard to share a space, especially an open concept space with a kiddo. It's just really hard to film, and now I can come in here at night. I'm not near the girls' bedrooms, so I can be a little bit louder at night. That was part of the problem in the last house. Like, I wanted to do stuff, but at night, if I turned on my lights, these guys, it would shine and I would be too loud if I made any kind of noise. I was right outside Olivia's bedroom, so it just wasn't ideal. And now I got the space and I'm super excited to get back into it. So I think I have a good setup going. Like I said, I'll link to that empty house tour video. I'll try to link to any of these I can find for you guys. And hopefully I'll have a scrap room video for you guys very soon. Have a great day and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.